Mrs. Roberts here. In this video, we're going to focus on 3298, and this is a claim under concepts and procedures. I'm going to start by reading the question. I'm going to read the possible answer choices, and then we'll figure out a strategy from there. So a student solved 3 over x minus 4 equals x over 7 in 6 steps as shown. There are steps. Which statement is an accurate interpretation of the student's work? A, the student solved the equation correctly. B, the student made an error in step 2. C, the student made an error in step 5. Or D, only x equals 7 is a solution to the original equation. We have a few different ways we could go about this. We could focus on step 2 and step 5 and see if there's an error there. We could just go straight to their end and plug these values in and make sure it's true. Or we could go through each and every step. I'm going to start by just plugging in our values and seeing if it's true. And then from there we can focus on the other things. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to plug in -3 for all of my x's in the equation. So here and here. So what that's going to look like is 3 over -3 minus 4. And we want to know, is that equivalent to, well, I need to plug -3 back in there, -3 over 7. 3 over -3 minus 4 would be 3 over -7. And then we have -3 over 7. Are those equivalent? Yeah, it doesn't matter where the negative is. So these are equivalent. So that answer works, which automatically eliminates option D. So we'll go there and we'll eliminate option D. Now I'm going to plug 7 in and try it again. So 3 over 7 plus 4. And is that equivalent to 7 over 7? Did I plug it in correctly? Okay. So this is going to be 3 over 11. Is that equivalent to 7 over 7?
Is it 7 minus 4?
Yep. This should be a 7 minus 4, which is 3 over 3. Is 3 over 3 equivalent to 7 over 7? Yeah. So that works. If you ever are looking at your problem and you think it doesn't make sense, go back and double check yourself. All right, so both of those answers work. I'm going to clear the ink on here real quick so I can scroll it. So we know that they solved the equation correctly. C and D doesn't work. Now you could go back and just double check their steps. Well, they multiplied both sides by 7 to cancel out the 7. Then they distributed in the x. They did that correctly. They got everything to the same side of the equation. They factored it. And then they set each of their factors equal to 0. And they got x equals -3 and x equals 7.